Guys, you won't believe what happened. I gave myself just 1 week to try something completely new. Something that people say can make you rich without even touching the product. I tried Dropshipping on Amazon. From scratch. No team, no course, just me, a laptop, and some wild determination. And guess what? I made over $3,000 in my first few days. Yes, you heard that right. And I'll show you exactly how. Oh, and if you're wondering why Donald Trump is on the thumbnail, let's just say, if he can build $1 billion brand, maybe we can build a side hustle that brings in a few thousand, right? Stick around to find out how a total beginner, me, did it. This video is going to change how you look at online business forever. And by the end of it, you'll know exactly how to start your own dropshipping hustle. Without fluff, without BS. So grab your snacks, grab your notebook, and let's go. Hey everyone! Waving hand, ever wondered if you could start an online business without buying any products up front or keeping stock at home? Well, let me introduce you to something called dropshipping. It's like having your own store without a warehouse. Sounds cool, right? Let's break it down. Body, easy, and engaging explanation. So, what is dropshipping? It's a business model where white heavy check mark, you create an online store and sell products. White heavy check mark, but you don't keep any inventory. White heavy check mark, when someone places an order on your website. White heavy check mark, you just forward that order to a supplier. White heavy check mark, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. You never touch the product. You just focus on the store, marketing, and customer service. Let me give you an example. Let's say you're selling a smartwatch for $50 on your website. You find a supplier who sells it for $30. A customer places an order, pays you $50. You buy it from the supplier for $30, and the supplier ships it straight to your customer. Money bag, you keep the $20 profit without ever holding the product. Benefits. In a relatable way. Why is dropshipping so popular? Globe showing Europe, Africa, you can run it from anywhere. Just need a laptop and Wi-Fi. Money with wings, no need to invest in stock. It's low risk. Package you sell first, then buy. Smart business, right? Closing, call to action style. But hey, it's not magic. You still need the right products, a good website, and smart marketing. Want to learn how to start your own dropshipping business step by step? Stay tuned, because we'll cover that in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this helpful. See you in the next one. Okay, so now that I understood what dropshipping actually is, the next big question was, what do I even sell? Because let's be honest, you can't just pick any random item and expect to make money. Product research is the foundation of your dropshipping business. And if you get this part wrong, you could waste time, lose money, or worse, get banned from Amazon. So I asked myself, if I was shopping online, what would I buy? What are people searching for every day? That's when I started my research. And let me show you exactly how I did it as a complete beginner. Laptop computer step 1. I started with Amazon itself. I literally went to Amazon.com and checked the best sellers section. This is gold, guys. Amazon shows you exactly what's trending in every category. So I looked at things like health and personal care, home and kitchen, pet supplies, electronics, accessories. I avoided risky categories like supplements or branded items. Too many rules and too much risk for a beginner like me. And then I asked, is this product lightweight? Is it under $30 to $40? Does it solve a problem? Can I find a cheaper version from a supplier? That's how I filtered products that were actually doable. Magnifying glass tilted left step 2. I used free tools because I wasn't spending on software yet. I didn't want to buy expensive tools like Jungle Scout on day 1. So instead, I used Google Trends to see if demand is rising or falling, DS Amazon Quick View, a free Chrome extension, and just my brain. Reading reviews, checking competition, and using common sense. If I saw a product with 10,000 reviews and I was a beginner, I skipped it. That's a red ocean. Too much competition. But if I saw a product with some demand but not too many big sellers, I noted it down. Ledger step 3. I made my own product shortlist. Now here's where it gets personal. I made a short list of products based on 3 things. What I understand. No point selling fishing gear if I know nothing about fishing. What looks easy to ship? No GLA. How to find winning dropshipping products. 2025 guide. White heavy check mark 1. Use product research tools. These tools show you what's trending, hot, and already selling well. AliExpress Dropshipping Center. Find trending items and see their order stats. Sell the trend. AI-based tool for winning products. Ecom Hunt. Shows winning products daily. PP Spies/Manea. Spy on Facebook and TikTok ads to see what's going viral. TikTok. Search hashtags like hashtag Amazon Finds, hashtag TikTok Mademabayat. White heavy check mark 2. Look for these product qualities when choosing a product. Make sure it has wow factor. Something that grabs attention. Great for ads. Solves a problem. People love products that make life easier. Hard to find locally. People are more likely to order online. Good profit margin. Buy for $5 to $10. Sell for $25 to $30 plus. Lightweight and small. Cheaper and faster to ship. Direct hit best dropshipping product niches. 2025. Here are some hot niches and product ideas. Small Blue Diamond Health and Wellness Posture Correctors, Neck Massagers, Smart Water Bottles, Small Blue Diamond Beauty, and Skincare LED Face Masks, Hair Growth Rollers, Blackhead Vacuum Tools, Small Blue Diamond Home, and Kitchen Gadgets, Automatic Soap Dispensers, Air Fryers, Accessories, Mini Blenders, Small Blue Diamond Pet Products, Slow Feeder Bowls, Pet Grooming Gloves, Pet Water Bottles, Small Blue Diamond Tech, and Gadgets Wireless Chargers. Phone Holders, Smartwatches. Budget ones. Small Blue Diamond Fitness and Sports. Resistance bands, home gym accessories, smart skipping ropes, Small Blue Diamond unique gifts, and toys, LED nightlights, DIY toys, fidget gadgets, warning bonus tips. Check AliExpress reviews to see real photos and feedback. Use Google Trends to check if the product is rising in popularity. Watch TikTok/YouTube ads to see which products are getting attention. Ehi again, future entrepreneur. Waving hands. So, yesterday we talked about what dropshipping is. But now let's talk about the most exciting part. Dollar banknote, how much money can you actually make? Even on day 2? Let's get real, and let's get motivated. Yes, it's possible to make $2,000 to $3,000, or even more, if you launch it right. Let me break it down. Body, realistic success path. $2,000 to $3,000 potential explained. Imagine this. Backhand index pointing right, you launch a new product. A trending gadget or viral item. Backhand index pointing right, you run a TikTok or Facebook ad. Something simple but eye-catching. Backhand index pointing right, you spend $100 on ads in one day. Now let's say your product price is $30, and it costs you $10 to buy. That means, for every sale, you make $20 profit. Now here's where the magic happens. You get 100 orders in one day. Yes, that's possible if your ad pops off. That's 100x $20 equals $2,000 profit. Some people even scale it up to 200 plus orders a day. That's how they cross $3,000 plus in just one day. And the best part? Package, you didn't pack a single box. Open mailbox with raised flag, your supplier did all the shipping. Direct hit, you just focused on the ad and let it run. Proof style, optional idea for storytelling. I've seen beginners who made just $50 on day 1. Then boom. $2,300 on day 2 after scaling the same product. The key was testing a winning product plus launching a killer ad. Want examples of those ads? I'll show you in the next video. Results. Realistic but exciting. On day 3, you might see package orders. 150 plus money bag sales. For $1,000 to $5,500 bar chart profit. $1,500 plus, or more if organic traffic hits. Chart increasing ad ROAS. Return on ad spend 3x or higher. Light bulbs. Some people even scale to $10,000 plus in one day by day 3 if they hit a real viral wave. Direct hit. Why day 3 can explode. Small Blue Diamond, your ad has data now. Facebook or TikTok ads start learning who buys. Small Blue Diamond, your TikTok content might go viral overnight. Small Blue Diamond, word of mouth begins. Happy buyers share the link. Small Blue Diamond, you can increase ad budget smartly because now you know it works. This is the day you go from testing to scaling. Lampadina pro tip. Talk like a mentor. Most beginners quit before day 3. They give up if day 1 is slow. But the smart ones, they push through, optimize, and then collision. They wake up to 100 plus orders on day 3. And if one product doesn't hit, no problem. You test the next one. Because one winning product can change your life. White heavy check mark. Call to action. Keep them hooked. Want to see what happens by day 5 or day 7 when you scale to $10,000 plus per day? Hit subscribe. because this journey is just getting started. And yes, you can be next. What the top 1% of dropshippers do differently. Full strategy breakdown. Dropshipping may sound like an easy get-rich-quick method, but the people who are really making millions treat it like a real business. Let's explore step by step what the biggest and most successful dropshippers in the world actually do to dominate this game. They have a business mindset, not a shortcut mentality. The top dropshippers treat their store like a long-term brand, not a quick cash grab. They're not looking for overnight success. Instead, they build systems that can run for months or even years. They study business fundamentals, profit margins, customer acquisition cost, lifetime value, invest in skills, copywriting, product research, paid ads, funnel building, understand failure is part of the game. If a product flops, they move to the next fast, reinvest profits to grow, not just spend them immediately in short. They think long-term, act like real entrepreneurs, and focus on sustainability. Magnifying glass tilted left, they master product research. Daily, every top dropshipper has a product research system. This is the engine of their business. They spend hours every day doing things like scrolling TikTok ads with hashtags like hashtag TikTok Mademabayat, hashtag viral gadgets using tools like PP Spy, Minea, or Big Spy to spy on high-performing ads, checking AliExpress Dropshipping Center for hot products with growing orders, looking at competitor stores, and using Chrome extensions to analyze their best sellers, using Google Trends to spot rising products before the mainstream catches on. They're not guessing. They're data-driven and consistent. Direct hit, they focus on problem-solving or viral products. Top dropshippers know the types of products that work. Problem solvers. Things that make life easier, save time, or fix a pain point. Examples: posture corrector, kitchen slicers, smart water bottles, viral/wow products. Products that grab attention and make people stop scrolling. Examples: laser keyboard.